is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. Okay, so we have the circle here. Okay, so let us try to put the information. Okay, so point P is the center of the circle. Here is point P, suppose. Okay, this is point P, and what is the diameter? AB is the diameter. So let me try to draw a diameter. I'm sorry for the drawing. So this is point A and this is point B. Okay, what else is given? Find the coordinates of point B. So we want to find the coordinates of point B here. If coordinates of point A and P are 2, -3 and -2, 0. So A का coordinates क्या है? 2, -3. What is the coordinates for B? P का दिया है, B का नहीं. So I'm sorry. P का कितना दिया है coordinates? It is -2, 0. Okay. B का तो we have to find. So we want to find out the coordinates of B. Okay. So first, how we will start? We will say that let A correspond to, normally what we take this as x1, y1. Okay, so you have to write that in the solution. This one, what we take normally, x2, y2. Here we have to find out x2 and y2. So we will write it as here x2, y2, and we have to find that out. And what do we denote this normally? Normally we take it as x, y. Normally, right? So we will use the same notation. Now, what is special about this? This is AB is the diameter. Okay, so if AB is the diameter, what is going to happen here with this point P? If AB is the diameter, what is going to happen? What happens here? AP is equal to PB. So I can write that AP is equal to PB. Why? Why can I say AP equal to PB? Very simple. Radius of the same circle, right? Radius of the same circle. Now if AP is equal to PB, can I say that P is the midpoint? P is the midpoint of which segment? Midpoint of AB. Okay, so and we want to find out the coordinates of point B. So we have already written that let B correspond to x2, y2. So we have to find out the coordinates of B. So which formula can we use here? We can use which formula? We can use the midpoint formula. Alright. What does the midpoint formula state? Here x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. What is the x here? Remember that here x is for x coordinate of P. Okay, x matlab x coordinate of P. Then y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, so this is as per the midpoint formula. So how are we going to solve the remaining part? Very simple. Now just substitute the values. X कितना है? What is x? X coordinate of P कितना है? -2. So -2 is equal to, tell me now, x1 is 2 plus x2 तो हमको ढूंढना है. We want to find out x2 upon 2. Just cross multiply. So -4 equal to 2 plus x2. So therefore x2 will be how much now? I think it will be -6. So this is x2. Okay, then let's go for y. How much is y? 0. It is y coordinate of P है वो 0. y1 कितना है? -3. y2 तो we have to find upon 2. 2 into 0, 0. So 0 equal to -3 plus y2. So therefore y2 कितना आ जाएगा बोलिए? 3 units, of course, 3 units. Okay, so what did we get finally? What is our final solution? It is -6, 3. So you have to write the final solution. Therefore the coordinates of point B are -6, 3, and that is the final answer. I hope you got this.